We definitely are having a trade on gold now. Now, NFP has been a buy. We took a buy, and I did that on my live. So if you have not watched that video, please ensure to go and watch that video. We use a different strategy to trade the news event. And now we are definitely going to be looking for a buy opportunity. And this is why we are going to have a sell opportunity on gold right now. So this trend line has been holding the market below it for a very long time. And then we had the first and second touch over there. Again, on the third time, the market has still rejected that same zone. Though ideally, we want to have a sell off of that trend. And however, we want to be more sure of our trade until the market has broken below this trend line, which becomes our counter trend line that we are going to have over there. So what we want to see is already we can have risks that can be taken in already. If you go and look at 15-minute time frame, you will see that we have been waiting for such a trade to come for a very long time, but you can see a market has already given us an engulfing, a bearish engulfing on 15-minute time frame. And then also we have a psychological level that is over here. And we also have a trend line that has blended with it. So ideally, the best ideal trade that you could take right now is a sell position from here on gold, taking a sell from here. And we're going to put a stop loss right above the psychological level and the trend line. And then we're going to be targeting, first of all, these lows here, this trend line. And also maybe possibly we could take even to as much lower as this could be. Now, this could be one of the best trades we're going to have for this weekend on gold, taking the trade on Friday and then holding it till Monday and Tuesday. Now, this is for swing traders. If you are a day trader, we have a trade that we have a strategy that we trade every day, but this is something that the swing traders can also take a benefit off of. We are taking a gold sale right now, and you should be trading gold right now. So it has an engulfing candle that has been presented to us over here. You can see the market has rejected this psychological level and given us an engulfing candlestick, ideal for us to take our sales on gold. Moving forward to Euro USD, we want to talk about the same thing. You can see the market has traded below this trend line and then has come and rejected that trend line. In the morning, I wanted to see this level here. This is an institutional level. That's another entire concept that we could be talking about right now. But I'm not going to go deep into that. And we want to see now the market comes and rejected that trend line again and also presents for us a candlestick reversal pattern. So we want to see something ideal, preferably on 1 hour time frame. We want to see a candlestick pattern that shows that we are going to go bearish. And once we go bearish, we are going to use that same entry to be able to catch another trade over there. I want you to add this to be the most recent low. And once the market breaks below that low and also breaks below this trend line, we are now going to be sure that our sell is valid. We have a sell on gold already, but we want to wait for another one on Euro USD. Once that happens and it presents to us, if the market comes to this institutional level in just this order block, and then we are going to take another sell, and then we are going to rally to the downside. Moving forward to GBP/USD, almost the same exact playbook, but I want us to be also more concerned with this trend line that has happened over here. We can see the first touch was here, the second touch is here, the third touch is here. Now, I was expecting that the market should come at this level, to this trend line here over up here. But already the market is doing some kind of reaction, but we want to see it to present for us an exact entry level that we cannot debate over again. Because currently we do not have any candlestick reaction that shows that we're going to go bearish, but ideally we are most likely to continue with a bearishness on GBP/USD. So we want only waiting for a candlestick reversal pattern that is going to show us that we're going to go into bearishness. That is what we have on GBP/USD. Please, let's continue to be patient and wait. The only trade that we have called out right now immediately is on gold. GBP/USD we still have to wait, and Euro/USD we still have to wait. Another trade that we are having is on AUD/USD. Now, AUD/USD, remember, moves exactly like gold does. So you can see it has rejected this trend line and also this trend line that has been up here. So it's going to act as our safety line thereafter. If the market gives us a candlestick reversal pattern from here, already we have these rejections that have been multiple, but we want to have another reversal pattern that shows that we're going to go bearish. And once that happens, at this psychological level and this trend line, Then we're going to take our sell position from there, and we're going to put our stop loss right above this safety line or above this safety line. You can use one of the two, but later on we're going to refine them while we are already in the trade. And then the take profit is most ideal one is going to be this low over here, and then which is also matching the psychological level. And then also we have rows like this that could be really, really good areas to take our take profits from on AUD USD. Then finally we have USDCHF. This is also another trade that has been validated already. We want to take this trade already away. As in right now, we can take this trade right now. Why are we taking this trade? You can see this trend that has been broken one, and then the second touch over here, and then on the third touch the market broke above it. And then the market came back to retest this trend line, but then retesting it, and you can see it finds another trend that has been trading to the bullishness, and the market rejects that level. Immediately that happens when the market closes with this rejection on 1 hour. We are taking our trade and we're putting our stop loss right below this trend line. You can be safe. Playing safe means you put it below the psychological level as well. That will reduce your risk, your win, but is also going to make sure that your risk is also good. So we could take a Euro CHF trade right now. Also, it's also a good value trade. And our target is going to be this trend line up here, or you could also target this support or resistance level over here, which is also a good target for us, which also has a psychological level within it. We could be targeting that high. And also this resistance level could work as a point of exit if you want to. But if you're looking for a long time, we could only tighten the stop loss when the market breaks above this level. And when it heads to this level, also if it breaks above it, then we're going to move also tightening our stop loss. So right now we have a trade on USDCHF, and we have a trade on XAUUSD. We have a trade on GBP that we are looking at yet. We have not yet entered it, but we want to see the market give us an entry on USD, Euro USD, and GBP USD and AUD USD trade is also going to be valid. So you can see the market is rejecting that area. Once the market closes with that candle and then gives us a reversal pattern that is reasonable, we are going to also smash our entry on Euro USD. And then also on GBP USD, we're also waiting for the market to close and give us a reversal pattern that shows that we're going to be going bearish. And we're also going to go into GBP USD. And then AUD USD also just the same thing. We're only waiting for the market to give us the confirmation before we end. Most likely, we want to see a reversal pattern like the evening star on AUD USD, also on Euro USD and GBP USD. But for now, let's hold patiently. Take the USDCHF if you have to, and then you also take the gold trade if you have to. And then we wait for USD, Euro USD, and GBP USD and the AUD USD to also mature. This is what we do all the time. We wait for our setup to come and mature very, very nicely like this, and then we take them without any problem. It's Dennis Cashpips again, and if you enjoyed this video, ensure to smash that button. And also, if you've not yet followed me, please ensure you do, because you're going to miss a lot if you don't. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Dennis Cashpips, and also sure that you're here on our live if you want to be a day trader or with us on our day trading strategy that we use over the New York session. Thank you so much. And I will sign out for now as Dennis Cashpips. Love you all.